next motion you are going to learn is called Paluma. Paluma means bird. So when we do that bird motion, what's going to happen is you're going to take your hip and you're going to do like a swooping motion, or you're going to make like a happy face. Okay? But I say swooping motions because when it swoops down, then it swoops back up. Okay? But if you want to use a happy face just to make it, easier for you to remember, then go for it. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and work on the hip motion first, because we have the hip motion, then we have the foot motion. Okay? So we're going to take the hip, make sure your regular position, and you're going to dip, come up, swoop down, come up, swoop down, come up, swoop down, come up. 4 more, swoop down, come up, swoop down, come up, swoop down, come up, swoop down, come up. Got it? Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add in our feet. So every time we come up, your foot is going to point 45. Okay? So we're going to swoop down, then we're going to come up with a 45-degree angle point with the foot. Okay? With a 45 degree. We're going to go back the other way, come down, point 45 in the direction. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 4 more, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Got it? So, when you do Paluma, your first position is going to be regular stance. Okay? You're going to do it at regular stance. Okay? And then, when you swoop down, that's when the bending comes up, and you're going to come back at a regular stance and extending that foot 45 as far as it can go. But don't bring your foot like that. Your back still needs to be straight. Okay? Let's try it with some music. Paluma. Right, turn back, turn left, lead the step, turn forward, okay, so that is the Paluma step. Let's go over it again. Feet are shoulder width, you're going to dip, come up and point. Dip, come up and point. Dip, come up and point. And dip, come up and point. Okay? Paluma.